In today's busy world, technology has become a crucial part in everyone's life. Even a small startup which doesn't even have nothing to do with technology has to make its own app. So technology and technicians are needed everywhere. And IT is one of those sectors which provide essential workers. In today's recent COVID times, we have seen a statistic growth in usage of Android apps and online deliveries. So, to cope up all these requirements, we need to produce more technicians, for which IT is the best sector. India has become a global leader of IT hub. There are like 4.5 billion active users of internet just in 2019. Even IT is involved in manufacturing. According to statistics, in next 5 years, the IT involvement in every sector is not just gonna be double, it's gonna be almost like triple. So, if you are into IT, that's a great choice. Students are gonna need expertise in how electronic data is generated and processed, stored and utilized. We also need specialty in security hardware. It is also used in fields like security hardware, software applications and also in artificial intelligence. Worldwide, there are many sectors which use IT employees, like in education to manufacturing, from communication to marketing, and even in entertainment purposes to saving environment. Every sector needs IT employees. And also IT also has its own domain, and also IT has its own domain like virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence and 3D printing, robotics. There are a wide range of opportunities and needs for IT employees. We have the salary trend of IT employees as follows. Project manager is gonna get on an average 16.87 lakhs. A team leader is gonna get 12.99, that's almost 13 lakhs per annum. And an IT consultant is gonna get 14.5 lakhs per annum. Senior software engineer is gonna get nearly 10 lakhs per annum package. And a software engineer or developer programmer is gonna get 9.7 lakhs. And a software developer, which is a basic IT employee, is gonna be on an average is gonna get a package of 5 lakhs per annum. There are many big companies coming to recruit IT employees like IBM, Infosys, Dell, Intel. As you can see, these are some of top companies which are interested in hiring IT employees. If you are interested in IT, the basic skills you require are like communicational, organizational, problem solving and research and analytical applications of ideas. You should have a basic idea about software terms like cloud security, application servers, metadata designing, distributed computing. Don't worry, you're gonna learn these all in your engineering study. Hope the information you got here is helpful, and please do like and share if you like this video.